I have to plus verb. I have to go. I have to eat. I have to pay. I have to call. I have to talk. I have to rest. I have to ask. I have to fix it. I have to help. I have to visit. I have to reply. I have to start. I have to plan. I have to give. I have to pack. I have to help. I have to stop. I have to work. I have to cook. I have to think. I have to read. I have to walk. I have to pack. I have to clean. I have to finish. I have to think. I have to learn. I have to drive. I have to buy it. I have to listen. I have to study. I have to check. I have to find it. I have to teach. I have to sleep. I have to take it. I have to watch. I have to speak. I have to deliver. I have to submit. I have to review. I have to attend. I have to create. I have to decide. I have to choose. I have to answer. I have to solve it. I have to update. I have to explore. I have to practice. I have to prepare. I have to improve. I have to arrange. I have to respond. I have to organize. I have to research. I have to exercise. I have to meet you. I have to remember. I have to complete it. I have to understand. I have to support myself. I have to encourage myself.